Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Today we here have a Craftsman Gold briggs&startton engine, the one with the plastic carburetor. Bought this in non-running condition for $20. Here's the broken recoil, and the guy said it broke last year, and he never bothered with it. So I guarantee you, because this is full of gas, we're going to have to clean the carburetor too. Normally I don't try and spend this type of money on a non-running machine, but let me show you why I did. Look at this, the bagger and the frame, brand new, never used. I know you're not supposed to judge a book by its cover, but it came from a really nice neighborhood, so that's where you tend to find a lot of the good stuff. Really hate to pass judgment, but it is what it is. So I guess part one will be getting this recoil fixed, and then I'll do a part two on how to get a Craftsman lawnmower started if it can't run. We'll see what we got. All right, so let me get this. Let me get my tools out. All right, so to access the recoil, you have three 5/16 bolts. 1, 2, 3. 5/16 socket, Milwaukee M12 ratchet. Alright, yeah, you know what? My back's been killing me because of work, so had to do a lot of heavy lifting this week. Clutches, rear end, oh, and I had to pick up this cable set for my buddy. And I wonder if we could cheat and fish out the broken part of the rope, because that would be pretty awesome. Because if you guys could see, not much broke off. Let me just bring this down to you guys. Closer. Look at that. We could save this. Let me get my torch. Alright, I got my torch. I'm just going to torch the end so it's nice pointy so we can stick it through the hole. That's nice and hot. I wonder if this is wet because I washed it. This thing should be very good. No. We got a lot of cooking to do. Because it's wet. It's better, but it's really not pointed yet. Like I said, it's just a pain in the ass to melt because it's wet. This should be good. Alright. Now let's find this hole. And the hole is here. Let's see if we could kind of sort of. No, we're going to have to cut this tape. Alright, so if you guys see this here, this is kind of flimsy, so we're just going to cut that. Pair of needle noses. I don't have my good snap-on ones. I don't know where the hell I put them yesterday. Because it started to rain. And I just started putting shit in the garage so it doesn't get wet. Can't figure out where I put it. It's in there somewhere. Right, so let's try this again. So we got a solid tip. So let's see. I could definitely see. So what we're going to try and do here is kind of we're going to try and force this through per se. Let's see if we get lucky. Oh, we're almost there. Alright, we're going to take off tension. See how I'm just kind of sliding that in there? I'm getting lucky. I might be lucky on this one. Can you see the rope? Alright, so I got a pick. Now I'm just going to try and work this rope through, which we did. And let's see if we pull it through. Do we have a recoil? And we do. Let's see how long this rope is. We're going to mark this out. Here. Let's see. Why not? What do we have to lose? Worst case scenario is I edit this stuff out because... Actually, you know what? I'll keep this in here because I'll show you that we tried to cheat. And if you can cheat, great. Alright, so we're just going to stick this through here. Remember, the tip's already melted. So technically, this should pop right out, I hope. is this rope so flimsy? It should never be like this. All you gotta do is just pop out, pal. There we go. Going to make this knot as close as possible because we're reusing the rope. Put that down there. Alright, I'm not going to bring you guys back up, but you know, the 3 5/16 bolts you guys took out, they go back in the same place. Yep, so there is no mystery. Come on. I think this time it's scratchy. I'm not complaining, this thing is fucking beat to shit. Oops, I cut a piece off. Alright, off the bed it goes. Alright, so what are the chances you think this thing's going to start? I'm going to say slim to none, because he said it broke last year and it has a full tank of gas in it. So I'm assuming that the gas is from last year. Hopefully I'm wrong. We shall see. So let's see. How far does this cable extend? Alright, so guess why that's smoking? Come on, take a guess. I'll give you 2 guesses. Both of them could be the correct answer. Think about it. Actually, you know what? I have a rake now. Keyword. Well, if you see, I'm checking the oil. Alright, so checking the oil level. Obviously, it's not low on the oil. I mean, obviously, it's not overfilled. So we definitely got to add some oil to this thing. But number 2 is that this thing must have been tilted forward between probably me and him. You know, we loaded this thing in my car and it's good to go. So yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna add oil, sharpen the blade, clean it up. See you later, love you, bye. Mr. Easy Money. $20 and this is a $200 mower all day long. Fully serviced. Remember, I fully service everything. It's ready to go. I'm not going to walk you through on how to service this machine, but if you go through my other videos, I'll show you how I sharpen blades and 20 ounces of oil and how I suck it all out. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. What is 5 minutes, 10 minutes? Alright, so fix the recoil, add oil, sharpen the blade. Got to put the bag back on the frame. You know what? I'll do that for you guys. Maybe some of you guys don't know how to do that. Alright, so here's your frame. See, he has it upside down. Okay, this always wants to be on the outside. So then we could start here first as our reference. Here. See how it just laps over the bars? If you're ever cutting grass, and grass is coming out, between the mower and the bag, check these flaps here. These are important. That's done. Okay. Then I'm going to do the same thing with the corners. Here. Okay. I'm just going to work our way, go around the frame. Just could say like around the world. And just make sure that these hang. So, like so. Like so underneath. Same thing with the other side. Here. And here. Oh, look at this baby. Like brand new. I know I should be running this, but one more call. That's it. Alright guys, if you guys found this video helpful, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance.